What Google collects from our website. Simply, what are the on-page SEO parameters? Number one is focused keyword. It is a primary keyword that best represents about our content that will align with the search intent of our targeted audience. Example, best tourist places in Hyderabad. Number two is title. The title should be in H1 tag and in bold, so that it will grab the attention of search engines and as well as users. It also tells the what the content is about. Number three is URL, Universal Resource Locator. It is a part of the page address, so it will help for Google to crawl and to understand. So a good URL should be descriptive, short, and focused keyword should be included. Number four is bolds and italics. Some important lines or keywords should be highlighted using bolds and italics to grab the attention of SEO of search engines and as well as users to boost our SEO rankings. Number five is first line of paragraph. Any user or search engine will read the first line of a paragraph, so that it should be straightforward and relevant to our content. Number six is headings. Headings are from H1 tag to H6. H1 is mainly used for main title, H2 for subheadings. So it will give the good structure to our on page. Number seven is description. It will visible on search result snippets. As a result, it will increase our click-through rate. Number eight is image alt text. Google cannot see images, but it can read the text. So by giving the description to the image, Google will understand the context of the image in the content. Number nine is keyword density. So keyword density means it gives a percentage. So to get that, number of times the focused keyword repeated in the content divided by total number of words into 100. So if keyword density is too low, then Google cannot understand our content. As a result, our SEO ranking will be decreased. If keyword density is too high, it means we are using a gray hat technique or a black hat technique like keyword stuffing. As a result, penalty to our website. Number 10 is links. The word which we give links are called anchor text. Here we have two types, internal linking and external linking. Internal linking means the keyword means the anchor text which will redirect to our same domains another page, then it is called internal linking. It will pass the link equity so that it boosts our SEO rankings. And external linking means it will redirect to the other domains of other pages. So if it is relevant to our content and the redirected website is authenticated and trusted, then our SEO ranking also will increase. So like the video, share and subscribe.